Experiencing the end of a significant relationship can be one of life's most emotionally intense events. Whether it's a breakup, unrequited love, or the slow drifting apart of someone who once meant everything, the emotional aftermath can be deeply painful. This guide is here to help you through that pain, step by step. Understanding your emotional journey is the first key to unlocking your healing. With time, reflection, and support, you can rebuild yourself and move forward with strength and clarity. Healing is possible, even if right now it feels out of reach. 1. Acknowledge your emotions. The first step in healing is to fully acknowledge your feelings. It's natural to experience a range of emotions, including sadness, anger, confusion, and even relief. Allow yourself to feel without judgment. Suppressing emotions can prolong the healing process. These emotions are part of being human and part of the love you once felt. Let them come and go like waves. Processing them is what helps you heal, not avoid them. Giving yourself permission to feel is the first sign that you're on your way to letting go. 2. Embrace the grieving process. Grieving is a personal journey with no set timeline. You may find yourself cycling through stages of denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Understand that these stages are not linear and can recur. You might feel fine one day and devastated the next. This is normal. Give yourself permission to grieve fully, because grieving is how you honor what you've lost and make room for what's next. There is no right way to grieve, only your way. 3. Establish no contact. One of the most effective ways to move forward is to establish a period of no contact with your ex-partner. This includes refraining from calls, texts, social media interactions, and in-person meetings. Creating this distance allows you to gain perspective, reduce emotional dependency, and begin the process of detachment. It's not about being cold, it's about creating the space needed to heal. Every message you don't send is an act of self-care. No contact isn't punishment, it's protection. 4. Reflect on the relationship objectively. It's common to idealize past relationships, focusing solely on the positive aspects. However, for genuine healing, it's important to view the relationship holistically. Consider both the strengths and the shortcomings. Reflecting with honesty helps you learn from the experience, so you don't repeat the same patterns. Try journaling your thoughts to gain more clarity and insight. Clarity is a gift you give yourself when you stop romanticizing the past. 5. Reframe your narrative. Our minds often create stories that can hinder healing, such as believing that the relationship was perfect or that you'll never find love again. Challenge these narratives by reminding yourself of the reasons the relationship ended and the growth opportunities that lie ahead. Adopting a new, empowering perspective can be transformative. You're not broken. You're in the process of becoming someone wiser and more resilient. This is not the end of your love story. It's just a chapter. You get to write the rest of your story on your own terms. 6. Engage in self-care. Prioritize activities that nurture your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. This can include regular exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep, and mindfulness practices like meditation or journaling. Engaging in hobbies and interests that bring joy can also serve as therapeutic outlets. Self-care isn't selfish, it's survival. The more you care for yourself now, the quicker you'll rebuild your confidence and peace. Loving yourself is the foundation for everything that comes next. 7. Seek support. Lean on trusted friends, family members, or support groups to share your feelings and experiences. Talking about your emotions can provide relief and perspective. If you find it challenging to cope, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor who can offer guidance tailored to your situation. You don't have to carry this pain alone. Healing is often a community effort. There's strength in vulnerability and courage in asking for help. Let others help you carry the weight while you heal. 8. Set personal goals. Redirect your focus by setting personal goals that promote growth and fulfillment. Whether it's pursuing a new hobby, advancing your career, or embarking on a fitness journey, setting and achieving goals can boost self-esteem and provide a sense of purpose. Goals create a path forward when you feel stuck in the past. Even small wins can reignite your sense of self. Let each goal remind you that your story continues, with or without that person. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. 9. Avoid rebound relationships. While the desire to fill the void left by a breakup is natural, entering a new relationship prematurely can complicate your healing process. Take time to understand your needs, heal, and rediscover yourself before seeking new romantic connections. You deserve to enter your next relationship whole, not as a way to escape pain. Give yourself the gift of your own love first. It's the foundation for everything else. Being alone can be a powerful act of self-respect. 10. Practice forgiveness. Holding on to resentment or blame can impede your healing. Practice forgiveness, not necessarily for the other person, but for your peace of mind. Forgiving doesn't mean forgetting. It means releasing the hold that negative emotions have on you. Resentment is like carrying a weight. It only slows your healing. Letting go is not weakness, it's freedom. When you forgive, you free yourself. 11. Limit reminders. Remove or store away items that trigger memories of the relationship, such as photographs, gifts, or shared playlists. This physical decluttering can aid in emotional decluttering, creating space for new experiences and memories. Surround yourself with things that support your healing, not reopen wounds. Consider redecorating your space or curating new music that uplifts you. Your environment should reflect where you're going, not where you've been. 12. Embrace change. Change can be daunting, but it also offers opportunities for growth and new beginnings. Embrace the changes that come with moving on, viewing them as steps toward a more fulfilling life. Reinvention is not only possible, it's empowering. Every step you take into the unknown is proof that you're healing. Let change become your catalyst, not your fear. Sometimes, change is exactly what we needed all along. 13. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate the small milestones in your healing journey, whether it's going a day without thinking about your ex or rediscovering a forgotten passion. These victories, no matter how minor they seem, signify progress and resilience. Every little win adds up. Be proud of yourself for showing up each day, even when it's hard. Healing isn't dramatic, it's made of small, quiet triumphs. Progress is progress, no matter the pace. 14. Reconnect with yourself. Use this time to reconnect with your identity, values, and aspirations. Engage in activities that reflect your authentic self and bring you joy. This self-reconnection lays the foundation for healthier future relationships. Spend time getting to know who you are without the influence of someone else. The more connected you are to yourself, the less you'll settle for anything less than what you truly deserve. You are your own home. Make it a beautiful place to be. 15. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. Healing is not a linear process, and setbacks are normal. Treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding you would offer a friend in a similar situation. Allow yourself the grace to heal at your own pace. Don't measure your progress by someone else's timeline. You're doing the best you can, and that's more than enough. Self-compassion is your most powerful healing tool. Conclusion. Getting over someone is not about forgetting them, it's about remembering yourself. By acknowledging your emotions, setting boundaries, focusing on self-care, and embracing growth, you can navigate the path to healing. You are not alone in this. and your pain does not define you, it transforms you. The end of a relationship is not the end of love. It's a chance to start again with someone even more important, yourself. You are healing, and that's something to be proud of. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more support on your journey to self-love, healing, and personal growth.